Some East Bay neighbors may be creating a public health hazard without even knowing it. Some homeowners in Oakley and on Bethel Island are illegally draining rainwater from their properties into sewers. KPIX 5's Juliette Goodrich on why that could create a very serious problem. Juliette?
Alan, we're talking about overloading the sewer system, and if you live in Oakley or on Bethel Island, you've either seen it, smelled it, and officials are trying to stop it.
It is illegal.
Illegal to drain floodwater into sewer systems. But that's what many Oakley and Bethel Island residents are doing because their yards have so much standing water.
They removed the cleanout cap and essentially started draining all of the storm runoff.
Alerts come into the sanitary district when the water levels surge.
So these are the obvious signs that we see in rain events.
It creates a hydraulic overload, flooding an already full sewer system. The result, sewage overflow. Do you see it? Do you smell it? Is it out there?
You can see it. It runs down the street, and it will come out of manholes, and it will sheet across the road and will run down the street, and cars can drive through it, and people can walk through it. It's really a public health problem.
The excess overloads the treatment facility and leads to serious water quality issues and violations.
And there's the risk that the level of treatment isn't adequate, and then the water that's being discharged into the San Joaquin River might not be as clean as it needs to be in order to protect the environment.
With another round of storms rolling in, more standing water is inevitable.
Over the last month, we've had operators here until midnight toggling pumps and running bypass pumping systems just to keep up with the extra flow.
But sanitation officials are urging homeowners not to take matters into their own hands when it comes to getting rid of water.
People seem to be confused, and they don't realize the impact that it has on the sanitary system.
But that confusion can lead to serious fines, even misdemeanor charges. And so they're going around trying to warn residents. But after that second warning, they could face up to a fine up to $1,000. So the best word of advice is to contact the county flood control to see about moving away all of that water before the rain comes in and after the rain. In Oakley, Juliette Goodrich, KPIX 5.